Hello guys and girls to my second weekend update on the markets. We are starting again with the S&P 500 on a weekly chart and we can see that we're still in an uptrend. First impulse, first correction, second impulse. Now we're waiting for the second correction. At the daily we see that the impulse is not over yet. I want to see a break and a retest of this daily uptrend line and then a continuation move to the downside for getting in a long position on the S&P 500. Like you can see, price can run further away without you on board on your trading position. So always be exposed to the markets on your long-term portfolio so you don't rely on your trading. If we look at the weekly and US oil, we see that we are broke this monthly downtrend line to the upside. Now we are in this weekly correction phase where price bounced a couple times at this weekly downtrend line drawn in orange. On the daily we see that we tested this area recently around this orange downtrend line in combination with this broken daily uptrend line. Now price is rising again and ready to test this zone again. Here we can see plan A move back to the downside to this not broken yet uptrend line and this monthly support and resistance zone. From there on, if we see price reacting to that zone, I could imagine a long position there on US oil, or we see a direct break and retest of this weekly downtrend line, then I would also be open for long-term positions in US oil. If we look on gold, we see that we are in this long-term uptrend. We broke this very often tested over a long period of time, tested weekly support and resistance zone, or at least it was a resistance zone for a long time. Now it could get a support zone if we see a pullback to it. I wished for it, but it hasn't came yet. At the daily we see that this correction wasn't that big and we not reached this daily uptrend line or this weekly support and resistance zone. But I don't see a good risk to reward ratio now, and I would like to see a bigger correction before I will get in long. A possible turning point could be this level around 2,250 US dollars. From there on, I would like to see a deeper correction, but it hasn't to be the case. So like with the S&P 500, I can only say for myself that I have gold in my long-term portfolio and I will not sell it for trading reasons. Because of that, I have a separate account for that. Same with Bitcoin. We are still moving higher. No trading position yet. Still in this long-term weekly and also monthly up trend. We broke the all-time high from November 2021. We had this daily correction, not really much. We broke it to the upside, but not that impulsive. And now we are consolidating since some days around this $70,000 level. Maybe it's because of the Eastern holidays, so not many traders are involved. By the way, I wish you all happy Easter with your friends and family. But yeah, trading Bitcoin, I want to see a move back up or a move back down before making any decisions on that. My favorite scenario would be a deeper correction to get in cheaper on a long position on Bitcoin. Yeah, that was it for the weekend update. I will see you soon in my next report. Bye bye.